Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I'm back with part 2 of my FGNORMAL package I got. We're going to try to cruise through these. There's quite a few of them. We're going to try to cruise through them pretty fast. Yeah, because there's 4, 5, 6, there's 7. Let's try to get through them fast. I'm going to do this in just 2 parts. All right, what do we have in here? What do we have in here? Well, it looks to be full drill. Look at that, full drill. Yep. Loved that, right? Loved that. It's like a wooden wall or planks or something. They're all different colors. Almost rainbow, right? Pretty rainbow. Flowers, daisies, butterflies, even a starfish. I'm not certain why there's a starfish in here with the flowers, but you know, he just wants to hang out with the flowers. In a world where you can be anything. Be a flower. Yeah. Okay. Let's look at the colors. They're probably going to be exactly what you see. Yellow, blue, pink, white, and green. Am I right? Let's see. Well, oh, I'm sorry. I forgot gray. We must have gray. Blue, yellow, blue, 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 blue. And we got some other rusty. Oh, yeah. The center of the flower, of course. Greens, teals, blues, pinks, blues. And we got a couple more. Blue, blue, blue. Oh, and white for the flower, which is actually cream colored. Cream, not white. Why can't they just do white? It's a white daisy. Come on. So there's that one. You go over there. All right. What do we got next? What do we have? What do we have? Okay. I'm going to just stop struggling with these. And I'm going to get out Mr. Exacto. Without cutting through to the canvas, just Exacto it. Yeah. Okay. Works like a charm. Just like a charm. Okay. What do we have here? Another full drill. Oh my gosh, what is going on with me right now? What is going on with me? Full drills. Okay. Here's our drills. Here's our toolkit. Here's our picture. What do we have? Oh. Okay, the rendering on this is a little pixelated. You have to see how that turns out when you put drills on it. This is supposed to be a gnome here. Yeah, he's a gnome, but he has like a flower hat. Can you see? He's a gnome. There's his nose. And this is like he's got a flower on his head for his hat. That's really all of the gnome you can see, and the rest of it, he's just covered with flowers everywhere. Yeah, this is a little pixelated. We'll have to see what happens with this one. I don't know. What do you think? How's it look in the camera? Yeah, that's what I thought. I think this is a bird right here sitting on the fender of the truck. This is supposed to be, I think, another gnome down here. Yeah, okay, well, I don't know. I got some questions with that one. I'm not certain how that one will turn out. It looked cute on the website, and I tried to check the renderings, but I don't know. Do we go through all the drills? Let's not go through all of the drills, okay? Green, rust, tan, yellow, pink, purple, red, burgundy color, purple, gray, pinks, and rust colors, things like that. That's what we get. All right. So that one, I don't know, a little questionable. On that one. Like I said, we got a whole bunch to do here, though, so we're trying to cruise through. So that one would definitely take drills being placed on it to see how it turns out. This one's fat. Why is it so fat? I don't know. Look, it's like a big old burrito roll. Oh, I know why. Because it's long. Hang on. Give me a moment while we undo this guy. Yeah, still rolling, 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 rolling. Okay, we've made it to the end. There's the drills. 2 toolkits. I guess because he's long. He's a long, tall drink of water. That's what he is. Thankfully, there's a legend on here for the 20 colors. Pixel printed. Not pixel, excuse me, picture printed. What do we got? Bows. We have bows. Would you like some bows? And we have hands. And we have a flower. Oh, we have a beard. He keeps going. Hang on. Hang on. Da 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 da. This dude is the longest, skinniest painting I think I've ever seen in my life. And he's got ladybugs. Okay, can you even see him? Well, you can see most of him. It goes just a little further though. See? Ladybug is up there, a couple flowers, and this hat that's like 10 feet tall. He's adorable though, right? Isn't he adorable? Look, he's got a ladybug right here, about to get him right on his nose. Doink. Ladybug here. How cute. Okay, I couldn't stand this. Could not stand this. Look at, okay, I gotta show you this guy. Hang on. Has nothing to do with diamond painting, but I was just at Menards and it's almost getting to fall. Almost. And I couldn't resist. Dong, dong. Yep, I'm ready to start decorating my porch. He's gonna go on my porch. Isn't he cool? Yeah, he's cute. They had a couple of them. They had another one that was sitting on a pine cone. He was cute too, but I chose this guy. Dale helped me. He was like, yeah, I like that one better. I'm like, okay, we'll get him. But isn't he adorable? This is some multi-placing back here, but there's different colors. You can kind of see there's dark blue and light blue back there. All right, we'll look at, well, we don't even have to look at these drills. Really, we don't. They're all right there. Perfect as can be. The light blues, pinks, gray, red, more of that aqua, dark gray, peachy color, more of the blues, teals. That is what it is. Greens for the leaves. All right. He's adorable. Oh, he wouldn't take that long to do, would he? I don't know. We'd have to see. Aha. This is what I wanted to know. Look. White. Not cream. White. That's white. That's for the daisies. Yay. That's what you're supposed to. Yes, 3865. Daisies should have white drills. I'm just saying. Not cream. Okay. We got 3 more. And it's getting hot in here. Whew. It's getting up to 90 degrees today here. Yeah. I'm not a happy camper. I'm staying in the house, which is making it hard for me to get out and do my walking. Oh, look it. Can you read that? I can read that. What's it say? It says, welcome, upside down and backwards. Do you ever read those things like in, I don't know, little memes or whatnot? And they say, if you can read this, you're smarter than the average person if you can read these. And it's just like things are written backwards or whatever. And I'm just like, or I like the ones where letters are taken out. I think they take out all of the vowels and you can still read it. Well, I can. I don't know if you can, but I can. Anyhow, those are fun. I like doing those things. All right. Confetti, 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 confetti. Da, 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 da. Oh, look at these guys. It's supposed to say something there. It really doesn't. What does it say? I have no clue. Yummy. I don't know. What does that say? It is supposed to say something. We're not going to worry about that, though, because we can read welcome summer. Look at, are they spitting? What are they doing? Are they spitting here? Or is it's just the juice from the watermelon, isn't it? They're not spitting. Okay. Yeah, it's supposed to probably say something here. Maybe not. I don't know. Although that looks like a Y, but no clue. No clue. It won't matter. Well, I don't know. Picture printed, 21 colors, A legend on both sides. DMC codes everywhere. This one's a couple eating their watermelon. Yep, I think I have a watermelon growing out, not in the garden, outside of the garden, where we didn't plant it, but I think it's watermelon. We had this big vine pop up, and Dale came and got me one day, and he was like, come here, you gotta see this. What is this? I'm looking at it, and I'm like, I don't know. It's a vine. It has flowers, and you know, the flowers turn into the fruit. It's growing something. I don't know. Still don't know what it is. If it's a squash or watermelon. I mean, we don't plant watermelon. We've never planted watermelon, so it would be weird. But we do take watermelons out to the chickens and let the chickens finish up the watermelon. They eat the rinds down and all that stuff. A lot of pink in this one. I wonder if the background's going to be pink. Number 7. Yep, it's got a pink background, light pink background. Love it. So I don't know. I'll let you know later when we figure out what it is. But I'm starting to think it's either watermelon or pumpkin. I don't know. I'll let you know when we figure it out. But aren't those cute? You know me and the gnomes. There's still a few more out there. You know, okay. Fall gnomes are coming out now, right? Yeah. Fall and Christmas gnomes are coming out. Yeah. Oh, you guys, I won a giveaway. It's not gnomes though. I don't know what that made me think of, but I won a giveaway. I guess I'll talk about it later. Oh yeah. Okay. This is a special drill. Look, a special drill. We haven't had very many of those in this unboxing, but it's a Dragonfly. Nice. Pretty background. Look at the teals on the background. Look, it's got like a border around it. It's not really a frame, but just a border. It's got 11 shapes. It's got hearts. Oh, it's got hearts. I can see the heart right there. Number 11 is a heart. Okay. Well, there's not very many of these. This will be quick. Let's do it. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. And then we got one painting left. We'll have this done under 20 minutes. Okay, lots and lots of rhinestones. Love that color right there. That has to be the most beautiful color. It's so pretty. Love that. Lime green, pink, purple, orangey red, lemon yellow, champagne. Look at those. Aren't those pretty? Bright, bright pink. Those are pretty. And these are gorgeous. Faceted blue marquees. Beautiful. Told you, quick and easy. Look, and they're already folded up, ready to put back in the bag. Like it when it works like that. Doesn't always work that way. And this is another little skinny one, so my thought is it's a special drill as well. I thought that I had gotten some of the quilling pictures from FGNORMAL, but apparently not. Unless this is one. Oh, it is. Darn it, this is the same one I already have. This will go into a giveaway. I already got this one, but I loved it. You'll see it. You have probably seen it if you follow me on Instagram, but you'll see it in my post Smashing the Specials video. This one turns out super, super nice. I love these quilling. Wow, I only got this one from them? Okay, well, I must have got quilling from somebody else. I know I got a whole bunch of them coming. I love these. The way they, with the special drills, they just pop right off that canvas and they're all 3D-like. I love them. They're so cool. All right, I've already done that one, but anyhow, it'll go into my giveaway stash. The giveaway. It's funny looking at these. Well, they are green. Yeah, because you got these green leaves. And it's funny. This went super quick. It was super fast. It did not take that long to do this. It was fun. I breezed through it. It was great. I love these. There are tons of these now. Tons of these on all of the budget-friendly sites, you guys. That's what I'm going to start taking pictures of these and putting them in a folder so I know which ones I have. All right. Okay, that's what I got to show you for part 2, you guys. FGNORMAL, thank you. You are so kind. They're really good to me, you guys, and to you because you get to see all of this. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if there's something that you would like to see because, you know, I always pick what I like and you guys seem to like what I like, but let me know if there's something that you've, you know, seen around or you're interested in. You want to drop that in the comments below. I'll see what I can do. Okay. All right. Hit the like button if this was fun, interesting, helpful. And if you're new here, welcome. I hope you come back. Okay. If you liked what you saw, maybe subscribe, you know, give it a thought. Okay. I do all kinds of different things. All right. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Stay cool. I'm staying in the air conditioning. Yep. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Bye, everybody.